Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says figure shows a 75 kg climber hanging by only the crimp hold, one hand on the edge of a shallow horizontal ledge in a rock wall. The fingers are pressed down to gain purchase. Her feet touch the rock wall at distance h is equals to 2.0 meter directly below her crimped fingers, but do not provide any support. Her center of mass is distance A is equals to 0.18 meter from the wall. Assume that the force from the ledge supporting her fingers is equally shared by the four fingers. What are the values of the horizontal component FH? चलिए इसका की कॉन्सेप्ट देख लेते हैं. Since the climber is in static equilibrium, the net force acting on her is 0. Applying Newton's second law, second law to the vertical and vertical and horizontal directions, we have summation of force of net and x coordinate is equals to 4fh minus fn is equals to 0, and summation of f net y is equals to 4fv minus mg is equals to 0. In addition, the net torque about contact point between the feet, between her feet and the wall, and the wall must also vanish. So summation of net torque is equals to mg into a minus 4 into fh into H is equals to 0. From the torque equation, the torque equation, we find the horizontal, we find the horizontal component of the force, component of the force on her fingertip, on her fingertip, to be FH is equals to mga divided by 4h. So अभी हम जब वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो 75 kg into 9.8 meter per second square into 0.18 meter divided by 4 into 2.0 meter. सो फाइनली जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें एफ एच की वैल्यू मिलेगी जो कि है हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स होगी वो 16.54. So this is our final answer. I hope you will understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.